Hello, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, go to Settings and enter Fingerprint, Face and Security. Now tap on Screen Lock Type and select between No Screen Lock, Swipe and Password. That's No Screen Lock. That's Swipe. And that's Phone Password. Now let's go to Fingerprint Identification. Your fingerprint sensor is right here. So let's now scan our finger. It's done. And the last way is face recognition. Okay, my face is now scanned, so let's try to use it to unlock the phone. And as you can see, it's working. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.